Let's start again with example number 3. We have 500 plus 250b equal 300b. So this is the variable 250 and 300b. So simply you said inverse operation of plus 250, so it is negative 250b. Negative 250b. Or you said I can send it to the other side, but please change the sign. So here, so 500 equals, of course, this 250 plus positive 250, negative 250 cancelled, and 300b minus 250b, it is 50b. So my aim is to isolate the variable. When I said 50b, this means 50 times b. Inverse operation of multiply, it is divide both sides, so by the same number aside the variable, which is b, 50. So divide by 50, divide by 50 both sides just to keep the balance, and in this case cancel 0, 50 divided by 5, it is 10, equals, of course, 50 over 50 is 1, and the rest is b. So will b equals 10. Let's check here, guys, if let's say if the value of the variable it is right. So we can substitute in the main equation. So 250 times 10, it is 2500, plus 500, it is 3000. So we have on the first side 3000. Let's check on the second side. If we substitute instead of b 10, so 300 times 10, it is a 3000 side. So it is, guys, checked. Let's continue to example number 4. We have minus m plus 5 equals m plus m minus 11. So my aim is to isolate the variable. We have negative m. We can put positive m in both sides just to keep the balance. Minus m, positive m is cancelled. So 5 equals m plus m. It is 2m. It is like terms. Negative 11. So my aim is to isolate the variable. To m, we have the number negative 11 aside it, so we can put inverse operation positive 11, or you can send it to the first side just to be with the numbers. It is the same, guys. So here we put positive 11 both sides just to keep the balance and just to cancel, just to isolate the variable. So minus 11, positive 11, it is 0, right or not? So 5 plus 11, it is 16, equals 2m. So here cancelled. Simply you said I need to isolate the m. So when I said 2m, this means 2 multiplied by m. Inverse operation of multiply, it is divide. So, and by the same number aside the variable, which is 2. So here in this case, guys, m equals 8. Let's check, guys, here if it is 8. We can return back to the main equation. So instead of m, I will substitute 8. So minus 8 plus 5. Minus negative 8 plus 5, it is what? Negative 3, right? So here in this case we have negative 3. Let's check the second side. If we substitute 8 minus 11, also negative 3, so it is checked. We reach, guys, the last example, about example number 5, which is a problem solving. So in a problem solving, it is so important, guys, just to understand the problem well. You read it well, you concentrate on the main ideas, on the main skills, just to solve the problem. Never rush in solving the problem solving. And this rental car, guys, charges an initial fee of $20 plus an additional, guys, $30 per day. This is the first part, to rental a car. Okay, but this rental car charges an initial fee of $36 plus an additional, guys, of a $28 per day. For what number of days is the total cost charged by the company the same? Let's start by the first part. We have and this, guys, and we have bodies. So let's start with and this, guys. Let's start solving the first expression just to form the first expression. We have a 20 plus, so 20 plus an additional $30 per day, so 30. This per day, this means, guys, the variable, which is x. This is the first expression for and this. Let's continue with the bodies, guys. So we have $36 plus, of course, an additional of $28 per day, so 28x. And now we said, guys, per day, this means x. Of course, for what number of days is the total cost charged by the company, the same guy, this means equal, guys. Now I form the equation. Of course, you know how to solve the equations by isolating the variable. We have here 30x and we have a 28x. Of course, it's so important to keep the x positive. So simply I will choose, of course, negative 28x, negative 28x. So just to cancel this part, so we have a 20 plus 30 minus 20, so it is 2x equals 36. Of course, this part it is cancelled. 28 positive 28 negative 28 is 0. So simply you said I have here to isolate the variable which is 2x. I have assigned it is 20, so simply you said I will use inverse operation. Even of course it is positive, inverse operation of positive it is negative 20. But not one side, both sides, just to maintain the balance here. So here, of course, positive 20, negative 20 is 0. And of course, the rest is 2x equals 36 minus 20, it is 16. Here, guys, at the last, we have 2x. This means 2 multiplied by x. Inverse operation of multiply, it is divide. So I will divide both sides by 2 just to maintain, just to keep the balance. So in this case, x equals 8. And you can check just to, of course, just to be sure that you get the right answer. Thanks for listening, guys, and of course you can communicate with me, of course, through the eSchool system and of course the WhatsApp applications. Thank you.